I tried everything: diet, workouts, supplements, but nothing changed. After my surgery in Guadalajara, I finally felt comfortable in my own body again. It's more than a physical change, it's about walking into a room with your head held high. For men dealing with gynecomastia, the gym and diet often aren't enough. What if the solution was just a short flight away, in the medical technology capital of Mexico, Guadalajara? Guadalajara is more than a cultural capital. It's Mexico's medical innovation hub. Often called the Silicon Valley of Mexico, the city is home to advanced hospitals, rigorous medical training, and surgeons who specialize in high-definition male body contouring. Here, gynecomastia surgery isn't just about reduction, it's about sculpting a natural athletic shape while maintaining the highest level of privacy and discretion. For cases caused primarily by fatty tissue, laser liposuction using ultrasound technology gently removes fat while tightening the skin and smoothing more defined area. When firm gland tissue is present, precise excision is required. This ensures long-term results and prevents the chest fullness from returning. Some patients choose to combine gynecomastia surgery with high-definition abdominal sculpting, creating a balanced athletic torso in a single procedure. In the US or Canada, male breast reduction often costs $10,000 to $12,000. In Guadalajara, you can access the same expert surgical care for a fraction of the cost without compromising safety or results. PlacidWay partners with some of Guadalajara's most respected plastic surgery centers, combining medical treatment for its collaborative team approach and patient satisfaction. Medical therapists report their practice personalized care with strong focus on patient safety. PAR specializes in reconstructive and aesthetic techniques designed for natural-looking male results. Recovery is easier when you're comfortable and relaxed. Guadalajara offers a refined recovery experience, combining world-class care with culture, privacy, and comfort. Gynecomastia doesn't have to define you. Take control of your confidence today with a free private consultation with PlacidWay Medical Tourism.